After an extremely wet weekend saw flooding hit some areas, millions will have to endure more intense downpours due to the storms.
Deadly flooding across America's northeast. President Joe Biden said it was yet another reminder that these
A flood warning has been declared for parts of the UK as Storm Ruby arrives on our shores.
authorities say you should limit travel wherever possible.
I've heard it all now.
Say the record
Limit
level-
travel over a bit of bad weather. Some of the top that.
No, I didn't.
Don't believe everything you hear.
Why do you watch it then?
What?
Well, why do you watch it then?
Which are all bloody channels these days.
What if we get flooded?
I'm not a flood risk here.
Says who?
Well, Roy off at the road for one.
What, Roy over at Road who believes in Bigfoot and UFOs?
Oh. Yeah, why are you still here? I thought you were going out with your mates.
Maybe I should stay here.
Not on my account. Go on, get off with you, you'll be late.
Right. See you soon.
Yeah. Have a pint for me.
David Hughes.
David, this is Clara Richardson from the Digital Twin Engineering team. We spoke last week.
Yeah, we did.
I was wondering if you'd come to a decision about what we last discussed. Like I said before, we need to create a digital twin of the whole network to identify possible failures across the system. We need all of the utilities to participate.
Sure.
This is about keeping the power on and services running through extreme weather events. We've got the tech, we just need to share data across our organisations.
I absolutely understand, but you requested confidential asset data from us. Data licensing processes are complex.
Oh no. Come on.
But we currently have our own emergency systems in place anyway. We are taking responsibility for this.
Look, for this to work, we need to connect the entire system together. Not only is this about businesses and services staying online, it's a matter of life and death. It's that critical.
We have a whole list of critical priorities.
Storm Ruby is due to hit. It's going to be catastrophic. Is there anything we can do to speed this process up?
It could take 6 months, a year even.
Look, Storm Ruby, this is climate change.
I understand.
My mother lost her home during the floods last year. We've got to do everything we can. David? Hello?
Listen, Clara.
Brenda! Brenda, it's flooded! Grandad!
I'll make it work. We're in.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's been 1 week since Storm Ruby hit the UK. With the worst of the bad weather now behind us, the great clean-up has begun. Scientists say Many
No
lives
slippers?
were saved through the use of new technology.
Carbon neutral, them.
Data, but they warn there's
Roy's got some and all.
still to be done. Experts say
We are in a climate emergency, and it affects all of us, especially the most vulnerable. But all is not lost if we adapt now and make better climate resilience decisions. The National Digital Twin Programme is developing a connected digital twin called Credo, which is making connections across our utility networks in a way that could save lives in the future. But this will only happen if we share data between organisations. Collaboration is key to tackling climate change. We must act now.